Well, hello, and welcome back to another awesome recipe. Alright, this is a really food, comfy, family recipe. It's freaking awesome. Alright, you ready? 500 grams of beef mince. We need 2 zucchinis. We need to peel them and grate them. 2 carrots. We need to peel them and grate them. We're going to need half a cup of frozen peas. A 400 gram can of chopped peeled tomatoes. We're going to need a couple of cloves of garlic, or the minced garlic, jar garlic, some thyme and rosemary, some chicken stock, and now this is passata, which is an Italian cooking sauce, 700 gram bottle. Alrighty, so we'll peel and grate them, and then we are ready to cook. Once we peeled and grated them and we're ready to cook, we want to put our oven on and preheat it at 190 degrees Celsius. Oh, I'm so excited to show you this one. It's so yummy. Ooh, let's do this. Alrighty, heat your pan up between half and full. You're right in the middle of it. Little bit of olive oil, or whatever oil you've got. Chuck your mince in there. I want to add 2 cloves of crushed garlic, or 3 heaped teaspoons of your jar minced garlic. Mix it all up, and we want to brown it, so just a couple of minutes. Carrot. Zucchini. Oh yeah. Mix it in really well, and we just want to cook it for a couple of minutes. Now we add our tomatoes. One cup of chicken stock. One teaspoon of thyme. One teaspoon of rosemary. Now we only want to put half a jar of our passata, whatever it's called, half a jar. Give it a good mixing. Alright, we want to bring it up to the boil. Once it starts boiling, we want to turn it down to a simmer, and we want to simmer it for around 15 minutes until it thickens up a little bit. Oh, it smells good up in here. Alright, this is exactly how we want it to look, okay? So, you still need a bit of juice because we want to be able to cook our pasta sheets, but that's exactly how we want it. Alright, so now we turn the heat off, we'll take it off the heat, we'll put our peas in and mix them in and leave it there, and then we start putting it together. Now we're going to need instant lasagna sheets. I think this is 250 grams, but I always grab 2 boxes just in case you need a bit extra. We're going to need 250 grams, is it? 250 grams of ricotta cheese. We need some parmesan cheese, and we need to get our oven dish. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a bit of olive oil spray and spray it. If you haven't got it, just get a little bit of oil and rub it over it. I'll just do it that way with the camera. Okay, first layer is our pasta sheets. Now just put them in and break them up, and get them as level as much over it as you can. I've got a feeling this dish is going to be way too small. I'll see how to go. Alright, so just break them up and put them in however you can. Now we want to use 1/3 of our pasta sauce. Once we've done that, you want to repeat it 2 more times. This time I have plenty, that's awesome. Still had a couple of sheets left over. Okay, now we've done that, we want to end it on a layer of pasta sheets. Okay, now we want to get our half a bottle of our I've got to get that right one day. Passata Italian sauce. And pull that all over it. Just get a spoon, back of a spoon, and sort of spread it all out. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, this is awesome, this one. Ooh. Okay, once we've done that, we want to get our ricotta cheese. And we want to dollop heaped teaspoonfuls over it. Now that we've dolloped, we want to put roughly 2 tablespoons of parmesan. Sprinkle that over. Now we want to grab some alfoil, and if you've got the spray the side of the alfoil that's going to be on the inside, that's going to be touching it. And if you haven't got any spray, just get a little bit of oil and rub it on it. This will hopefully stop all the cheese and that from sticking to it. So there's the side. Turn it over, put it on. Seal her up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit it on a cookie tray. That way if any of it drizzles over, it won't go into the bottom of your oven and make a hell of a mess. Now we want to stick it in for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes we take the alfoil off, leave it in for another 15 minutes. Oh, then out she comes. Oh, check this out, my friends. Oh mate, it smells awesome in here. Alright, you leave it sit out for 15 minutes and then you serve her up. Now it'll make 6 decent serves. Sometimes if I've got more people over, I'll do it with chips and salad, and then you can probably feed about 8 people, or you can feed 4 huge serves of it just on their own. I'll serve it up now. Mate, life doesn't get much better than this. A little bit of palmy on top. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. I'll be back.